Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I want to talk about a revolutionary product which has completely changed my skincare game for me. So before using this product, my skin used to be clogged, it used to be like very dull and dehydrated. So though I was using my skincare, but I did not know what was the exact reason behind it. So I got to know that it is all happening because I'm not able to remove the traces of makeup or accumulation of dirt, grime, pollution, sunscreen, and all of the skincare product that we use on the skin. So it just remains on your face because till the time your skin is not completely clean, it is either gonna break out or it is gonna become really dull. So incorporating this product really changed my whole skin. So I thought, why not share it with you guys? So without further ado, we are quickly gonna be diving in. So guys, the product is gonna be this Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. So think of it as your best friend, which is very gentle yet very effective in removing the gunk from your skin, from pollution to makeup. It is gonna take it all out. And let me tell you the best part, it works magically without stripping your skin from its natural oils and leaves your skin feeling fresh and clean without any tightness or dryness. And guys, this little gem is a complete game changer for me. It's really gentle on your skin, also free from sulphates and parabens, ensuring that you're putting out best on your skin. Plus, in one swipe, it is capable of removing whopping 100% of dirt, dust, makeup, sunscreen, grime, everything out of your face. Talk about efficacy. So what is the secret behind Micellar's cleansing water's magic? So it's all thanks to those tiny yet mighty particles. So these microscopic cleansing molecules acts like magnet, lifting away any kind of impurities without rubbing or any harsh scrubbing the skin. So it's skincare science at its finest. So let me talk about my routines now. I have incorporated this Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water both in my morning and in my night routine. In the night, guys, it's my first step to double cleansing, ensuring my skin is free from any traces of dirt, makeup, and grime. And guys, in the morning, it's a perfect refreshing pickup, ensuring my skin is ready for the day ahead and allowing my other skincare products to work their magic more effectively. And using this Garnier Micellar Water could not have been easier. Pour a bit on the cotton pad, gently press it on the skin and swipe. It's easy, effective, and the results speaks for themselves. Refreshed and cleansed skin that is ready for whatever the day throws at you. Now guys, let's not forget about the options available. So Garnier offers a wide variety of micellar water according to your skincare needs. So whether you're looking for everyday cleansing, heavy duty makeup removal, or a boost of brightness, there is a micellar water for you. So guys, the first option is gonna be this Garnier's Pink Micellar Water, which is gonna be your everyday cleansing solution. So it is gonna remove any traces of grime, makeup, dirt from your skin without stripping your skin from its natural oils. So it's effective yet very gentle on the skin. The next one is gonna be Garnier's Oil Infused Micellar Water. It is specifically formulated to tackle heavy waterproof makeup. It helps in removing the most resistant traces of makeup while being very gentle on the skin. Infused with nourishing oil, it's really effective in removing the resistant traces of makeup while still being gentle on the skin. Next one is gonna be Garnier's Vitamin C Micellar Water. So it is infused with the brightening properties of vitamin C, which not only helps in cleansing your skin but also helps in brightening and revitalizing your complexion. So it is ideal for people who are looking to achieve flawless and brightened complexion with the convenience of micellar water. So there you have it, ladies. The secret to glowing and radiant skin is just a swipe away. Ready to experience the magic for yourself? Just make sure that you get your hands on Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. The link is hanging in the description box below and your skin will thank you later. And always remember, skincare is self-care. So make sure that you give yourself and your skin the love that it deserves. Until next time, I'll see you guys again. Bye-bye. I love you all so much.